Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a sliding doors body effect in CapCut apps. Alright, tapping on your project, select your photo you want to edit, and I'm going to select my project and select the effect, select body effect, select clone. So you can find this sliding doors 2. Alright, so tap on it again to adjust the option for the particle size, range, speed, and the horizontal. Alright, just click check mark. Just for the duration. Alright, this is the final effect you'll have in your video. But this is a pro effect, so you have to join CapCut Pro to be able to use this effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.